Sir, start, sir.
So hello everyone, hope I'm audible and visible. Hello everyone. So hope I'm audible and visible. So welcome to the GATE Academy, a forum of IIT and ISC graduates. So welcome you all. Stay safe, stay home, wash your hand regularly. Fine, because COVID cases are increasing day by day. So it's a request to all of my students, wash your hand regularly and stay safe and stay home and keep preparing for GATE examination. Don't waste your time for GATE 2022. Already class has been started. Fine. So you can join the classes. This is a free session where I can share which book you have to refer for which subject. Fine. So let me start. Let me start the thing. So first of all, discrete mathematics and its application. The first subject I am telling here, discrete maths. For discrete maths, you can prefer Kenneth H. Rosen. Fine. Kenneth H. Rosen is a very good book of discrete maths where you can find all the syllabus which has been asked in GATE. Fine. So Kenneth H. Rosen is the standard book. There are number of practice question. Fine, where you can do a lot of practice of discrete mathematics portion. Fine, and you can bring a lot of knowledge. Fine. So some of my friend asked to me, sir, why book is necessary? Sir, if we sir, we don't have enough time. See, if you are preparing for right now, you have ample of time. Fine, and reading book is always a good habit. Fine. What I taught in the class, to make your notes from book also, you can just add some points also. That's why book is very necessary. Is that clear? Please reply, my dear friends. Please reply whether I am proper audible or not. Whether I am audible. Fine. So for discrete mathematics, you can refer Kenneth H. Rosen. Don't refer any general books. These are the standard books. And from GATE, from those who have set the GATE paper, they will ask question from that book only. Fine. Okay. Let me move to the mathematics. As a computer science student, like mathematics play also a very vital role. So for mathematics like matrix, like calculus, fine. So you have to refer B.S. Geriwal. Fine. This is very standard book, good book. You can refer this book for your preparation. For your preparation for mathematics, you can refer this book. Fine. Quickly, I am moving to the theory of computation, or some people say formal language and automata. Some people say theory of computation, some people say TOC, some people say automata. Fine, whatever. Fine. So for automata, see, first you can refer Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch is a very good. Peter Lynch, like automata for Peter Lynch is very good. One book is enough. If you want to do more research, you can refer Ullmann also. Fine. Recently, Ullmann is also very good for TOC. TOC के लिए Ullmann is also very good. Fine. Ullmann is also very good. Fine. Ullmann recently he won Turing Award. Like Turing Award is like a Nobel Award. Fine. So Turing Award in computer science. So Ullmann have won this award. Fine. And third book is Mikkel Sipser. Fine. So according to your, like some people might prefer Peter Lynch, some people might prefer Ullmann. It's up to you. Fine. I prefer Peter Lynch for automata. Fine. You have time. Please refer this book. Fine. I told you why book is important. Only see here. Just follow the syllabus. What is in the GATE syllabus? Make your own notes also with the help of a standard book. It will help you a lot. It will help you a lot, my dear friend. Is that clear? Now, principle of compiler design. So compiler design, both books are Aho and Ullmann only, and only picture has been changed here. Picture is changed here. So you can refer either this is like addition has been changed. Here we have only two authors like Alfred V. Aho and Ullmann. Here we have four authors. So you can refer either this book or this one, both are same only. Fine. Addition is different, and some concept, some new concepts has been added. But for GATE point of view, you can refer any addition. You can refer any addition. So principle of compiler design, Ullmann. Ullmann you can refer, Ullmann. Now, for C programming language, C, for GATE point of view or for competition point of view, C, Dennis M. Ritchie. Fine. Dennis M. Ritchie is very good book for ANSI C. Fine. If you are going for interview, if you are going for any competitive examination, fine. Definitely question will be set from this book only. So this is the standard book. You can follow this book without any hesitation. Fine. So for ANSI C, you can prefer Dennis M. Ritchie. Okay, fine. So for data structure, you can refer Devasys Samanta, good book, fine. For classic data structure, you can refer this book, fine, Devasys Samanta. And for algorithm, for data structure also, you can refer Corman, fine, Corman, fine. So first you can refer this one, Corman is enough, fine, Corman is enough. Sir, some people say, sir, it is very like more number of pages, fine. So how can I read this book in a GATE preparation? See, just follow the syllabus. According to syllabus, make your own notes through your book. Fine. In class also, teacher will deliver each and every point. If you have some doubt in any point, you can refer this book. These are the standard books. Any teacher, even if I will taught algorithm, I will follow Corman only, because Corman is the best book of the algorithm. So you can follow Corman. Fine. If you want, you can go with Raj Sekran also. Raj Sekran Sahani. This is also very good book. But the first preference for algorithm, you can follow Corman. Fine. Now, for operating system, my dear friend, for operating system, which book you have to follow? Galvin. Galvin is enough. If you want to study more about synchronization, you can go with Tannenbaum also. But for operating system, Galvin is enough. Fine. You can only study Galvin. It is enough for you. You can crack any examination. You can get all those stuff from Galvin only. Need not to search for other book. Galvin is more enough for you. If you want, you can go with Tannenbaum also for synchronization part. Fine. I'm not getting any message. Let me. Okay. Fine. I'm getting your message right now. Fine. Yeah. Hello, Dev. Hello, Arya. Fine. Yeah. For data structure, you can Semmer. You can follow Semmer also. Fine. For data structure. You can follow Semmer also. Yeah, TGA. What about the provided by TGA Academy book? It's also very good. It's a short notes, because you have time. You have ample of time right now from like May, June, July, August. Like in GATE exam will be held in February now. So you have time to you have ample of time to read the book also. Suppose if I am teaching discrete mathematics right now, so you just follow my lectures and you can follow Kenneth H. Rosen also, so that you can make your concept beautifully. Find depth knowledge. If you have depth knowledge, you can able to solve MSQ question, because see here last time they have added MSQ also. Fine. So if you follow only my class, it is enough. But if you want to get good rank, you have to follow TGA book also, some standard book also, because in some topic you have to go in depth. Are you getting my point, everyone? So, okay, fine. So for operating system, Galvin only. Okay. Sir, does TGA cover full syllabus in both online and offline? Yes, Dave, definitely. TGA will cover full syllabus. Fine. Yeah, Rajeshwar, Arya, online classes has already been started. online classes has been already started from I think one or two batch has been started. More batch will be start. You can just contact to any contact to Gate Academy guy. They will let you know. Fine. So for computer networks, Frojon is more than sufficient. See, if your English is also not good now, see, it is like Frojon is like Hindi. If you read Frojon, it's very simple book. For computer network, Frojon is Frojon is the best book. Some people follow Tannenbaum also, but I will prefer you can follow Frojon only. Fine, you can follow Frojon only. Fine, you can follow Frojon only. Is that clear? So Frojon is very good book for computer networks, more than enough, more than sufficient. Yeah, it will start soon. It will start soon on YouTube. On YouTube, definitely you will get some video, you will get some free video. Fine. Mostly in the Gate Academy, mostly some videos are free and some are paid basis also. Fine. You can join. You can just ask. You can just join our Telegram channel, the Gate Academy official, for more information. You can join this Telegram channel in description link. You can get more information. Okay. So for computer organization, find some people say computer architecture also. So for this one, Karl Hamacher, you can follow this book only. This is more than sufficient. Karl Hamacher. Fine. Why I'm telling book is important? Because if anyone teach you now, in anyone teach you computer organization, they will teach from Karl Hamacher. So you will easily connect to the teacher also. If you read this book before starting of the class or after starting of the class, you will get more than enough. Fine. Definitely you will get more than enough, and it will create more impact on your Gate examination. It will create more impact on your Gate examination. Fine. Yeah. So Rajeshwar Arya, I taught multiple subjects like DBMS, discrete mathematics, compiler design. Fine. So for DBMS, my dear friend, for DBMS, see here for SQL or for relational calculus, you can follow Raghu Ramakrishnan. You can follow this book. For SQL, for algebra, for relational calculus, you can follow Raghu Ramakrishnan. And rest of concept you can crack through Korth or Navathe. Fine. Some people go with Navathe, some people go with Korth. It's up to you. Both books are good. Fine. For these three things, SQL, algebra, and relational calculus, you can prefer Raghu Ramakrishnan. You can prefer Raghu Ramakrishnan. And my dear friend, for rest of syllabus, you can refer Korth or Navathe. It's up to you. Fine. Korth or Navathe, both are good book only. You can follow. These are the front page of the book. Fine. Now, for digital logic and computer design, Maurice Mano is very good book. You can prefer this book only. Those who want more, those who don't like Maurice Mano, you can go through RP Jain also. So first one, you can prefer Maurice Mano. Rajeshwar, Telegram link is not working. It is working only. Just join on the link. Join on the link once. Fine. Definitely it is working, Rajeshwar. It is working. It is working, my dear friend. Fine. So, fine. So these are the subjects, and which book you have to prefer. I told you. If you have a small doubt, if you have any queries, you can ask me, sir. I want to prepare for GATE 2022. What I have to do? If you have any doubt regarding your career, regarding your preparation, you can ask me. Regarding your preparation, you can ask me. Fine. Please ask if you have any doubt. Fine. For aptitude, you can follow RS Agrawal. It is more than enough. RS Agrawal. For aptitude, you can follow RS Agrawal. For preparing maths, discrete maths, I told you, for discrete maths, you can follow my dear friend Kenneth Rogen. Kenneth Rogen, fine. You can refer this book, fine. And for engineering mathematics, you can follow B.S. Gerewal. And Deo, you have to solve PYQ, previous year question. It is more than enough for you. PYQs. Fine. For applied maths, you can follow B.S. Gerewal plus PYQs. It's more than enough for you. Fine. Previous year questions you can follow. Fine. Dev, I think your doubt is clear. Yeah, where in LMS of TG or GATE PYQs? Yeah, definitely. Like I taught discrete mathematics. I solved, I think, almost all of the PYQs of discrete mathematics. You can check once in my classes. Definitely you will get. All PYQs are there. Fine, you can check. You can check there. Is there any doubt, my dear friends? You can ask me. Fine. If you have any doubt regarding how to prepare, which subject you have to go first. So see here. See, you can teach. You can first prepare this subject, discrete mathematics. Why? Because like if you know discrete mathematics well, it will be helpful for theory of computation, and it will be helpful for DBMS also for writing queries. Fine, because predicate logic is very important chapter which will help in relational algebra. Are you getting my point? So first you can crack this subject, discrete maths and application. Along with you can prepare engineering mathematics. Fine. Thereafter, it's up to you. If you want to go with TOC, third subject will be TOC. Fine. Fourth subject will be compiler design. Fine. Then you can go like this. Fifth subject will be C, then data structure, then algorithm. Thereafter, you can go with operating system also. Like this one is, I think this one is 8th subject. Yes. Then you can go with networks. Then we can then computer organization, then DBMS, then digital logic. Fine. Then digital logic. Are you getting my point? It's up to you. Fine. You can start with discrete math. It's good only. Fine. See, suppose if you are in third year, what should I do? So you can go with your subject also. Along with you can prepare your subject, your semester subject also, and GATE subject also. Fine. So it will be helpful for you. Fine. See, make your own strategy. Don't follow other strategy. In which area you are comfortable most, you can go with this. Or in which subject you are not good, you can pick that subject. It's up to you. Fine. It's up to you. If you have time, if you have ample of time, like if you're in third year, suppose my C programming is very weak, very weak, I will just start from C and data structure, because in final year, for interview point of view, for GATE point of view, it is very helpful for me. So C data structure, I will practice regularly, and along with maybe aptitude. So make your own strategy. Don't copy and paste other strategy. Some toppers, different toppers have different strategy. Fine. Maybe you will be the next topper. Fine. So make your own strategy. Don't copy and paste other strategy. Fine. Is that clear? Yeah, followed you in DBMS. Thank you, Rajeshwar. Thank you. Yeah, DBMS also is a very good subject. If you see last year, for each subject, they will ask 7 or 8 marks questions. So it is not happening every year. They will ask 7 or 8 mark question. It depends, but you have to prepare each and every subject. You cannot skip any subject. So try to prepare each and every subject. Fine, and make your own strategy. Make your own. And the remember thing, like Corona Cases are increasing day by day. Stay home, stay safe. Don't go outside until it is necessary. Keep wash your hand regularly. Keep wear the mask. Fine. It's a request for the gate from the Gate Academy side, from the my side also. Fine. So please follow all the government protocols, government rules. Fine. If you have any queries, you can ask me. And if you have any queries, thank you so much for attending this lecture. Hope it is worth for you, because what I have told in last 15-20 minutes, find which book you have to prefer, because you have time, you have ample of time. Please go through the book once. Don't keep in Almira. Fine. And don't keep in Almira only. See here, if you attend the class, suppose 2 hours, 4 hours, in night also you can just read the book. Definitely you can make it habit, and you can learn something. So make it a habit. Try to read the book. Because like any teacher in the world, follows book only. Sir will teach. Yeah, definitely you will get my lectures, free lectures, if it is there. If definitely you will get. See, some free lectures probably. Maybe on 12th of May, I will discuss one class, like how to prepare for interview. Fine. So please make one habit, make promise to yourself. See, many people ask me doubts, sir, whether I should read book or not. Sir, short notes available hai. Short notes apne banao. Make your own short notes. Make your own formulas. Don't copy and paste other formulas. Like, no, formulas means write the formulas in your copy from the book. Don't copy and paste from others. Fine. If you read the book, definitely you have to remember this page also, where this formula came from, which page this came from. So that's why book is very, very important. Fine. So I think your all doubt is clear right now. So thank you so much, my dear friends. Take care. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Is anyone any doubt? See, follow your syllabus, then make your own notes. Make your own notes. Then third, and make short notes also. Short notes means all the formulas, all the short trick what you have. Fine. So don't read blindly. Just book utha liya aur padhna start kar diya. Don't do this. Follow syllabus. What is the GATE syllabus? Okay. If you go with like DBMS, just check the syllabus. According to the syllabus, just follow your teacher. Like DBMS, like just follow your class teacher, what they are teaching, and after that, just go through the book once. Also. Then make your own notes. Definitely you'll add something. And this one is important. For solving MSQ, book is very, very necessary. Yeah, TGA workbook is very, very good. All TGA workbook, even though previous year question we are making right now, we are working on that, and it will be upgraded PYQs for you, where we can categorize each question separately, whether this is level 1, level 2, level 3, which type of question is this, find what error is in this, find everything we are doing right now. So definitely it will come soon. Fine. So even though TGA all workbook PYQs also, it will come soon, updated PYQs, and definitely it will helpful for you. Fine. So follow syllabus, make your own notes, then short notes according to the book. See, where can I specifically find all the PYQs? It depends on the teacher who will teach you on the LMS. You can cross check, you can ask the teacher itself sir, whether I can get all the PYQs. For my subject, I can tell you. For other, I cannot tell you here. There, you can ask. I think all teachers they have solved PYQ in the class. You can just cross check in your class notes also and LMS on LMS also. Fine. So they know PYQ's book, like new PYQ's book will be come soon. Will become soon. Definitely for TGA students, it will be free. For rest of the students, you have to buy. Fine. It will be updated. PYQ will come soon. And fine. Yeah. Hello, Dharmendra. Hello. Hi. Fine. So what I have told here, which book you have to follow, please follow the book. Please, because if you will not follow the book, only follow teacher is not enough. Fine. And please be safe. Stay home. Stay safe. Fine. And keep wear mask. Keep wear mask. Keep wash your hand regularly. Don't go outside until it is necessary. Fine. So thank you so much. I'm leaving now. Thank you, my dear friend. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Keep healthy. Stay healthy. Keep healthy. Bye bye.